Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Putting baking soda on your mattress may be something strange, but did you know that it is a great way to keep your mattress clean and free of dust mites? Over the years, mattresses can accumulate pounds of mites, dust, and even parasites. In the long term, this can lead to allergies as well as skin and respiratory problems. The best way to avoid this is by cleaning the mattress regularly. So we're going to teach you a very simple and quick way to keep the mattress clean in this video. The main ingredient of this recipe is baking soda. Baking soda has shown that, besides being a cheap and easy to find component, it's still worth using in daily cleaning. Its bacteria-killing properties eliminate the germs from all types of surfaces, organic or inorganic, and that makes it a very effective disinfectant. It also has an excellent deodorizing effect. Ingredients: 2 glasses of vinegar, 1 cleaning brush, 1 vacuum cleaner, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Instructions: wipe vinegar all over the mattress and rub it in well. After scrubbing the mattress, vacuum it to remove any debris. Let the mattress dry. When the mattress is completely dry, place baking soda all over the mattress. Wait 30 minutes and vacuum the mattress again. Now your mattress is clean. Optionally, you can put a few drops of lavender oil to make it smell fresh. We advise you to do a deep cleaning like this on the mattress at least twice a year. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.